Good morning, beautiful people. This is Design Your Space by Tando. So today I just wanted to show you guys this new apartment that we're moving into. It's actually not new, it's old. We are moving into a different apartment, same apartment complex. So right now we are just cleaning this place up. Just wanted to show you guys how it looks before we put all our furniture in, because you guys never saw how it was before we moved in. So this is the kitchen. We just need to do some hectic cleaning because you know how much I love clean stuff. I think I'm a germaphobe. I don't really like germs, so this is how it looks. It looks a bit bigger when it's empty actually. So this is the living room. I basically hate the yellow. I think we're gonna do something about the yellow because you know guys, I hate yellow. It's a bad color to start with when you are decorating. So this is the passage, and there's a closet right here, and the first bathroom. So nothing fancy. Moving on to the second bedroom. This is how it looks. It looks actually much better than the bedroom we had in the last apartment because it had cracks on the wall and I kept complaining about how it looked. But still, I'm not really impressed with the yellow. This is the cupboard, and it's basically a very small room. So this is what I'm going to turn into an office space and my daughter's bedroom. Moving on. Then when we come out, we have our bedroom right here. And this is our bedroom. So nothing has changed really. Everything is still the same. This is the bathroom, shower. Everything is still absolutely the same. It's just a different number, different apartment number, and a different color, different color walls. So yeah, that's basically what I wanted to show you guys, and I'll give you an update on what happens. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like, and comment to this channel. I will see you later, you guys, with some more content. Right now, I just need to clean the space and make sure that we move into a really beautiful and clean space. I'll see you guys later. Bye. So I'm gonna spray this degreaser here and get rid. You see, I've already sprayed and there's a lot of dirt coming out. I don't like dirt. And the smell is not a nice smell. So in here as well, I've already sprayed. If you can see how this is. I've already sprayed in here. So there's a lot of dirt. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna finish cleaning this stuff up.